Hello to everyone. In this video, you will learn about the subjects which you will study if you pursue your engineering in civil branch. So, what is that thing which will change a common person into a civil engineer? The thing is the knowledge. The knowledge in different aspects will make a common person to change into a civil engineer. The knowledge in structural engineering. A common man must know how to construct to become a civil engineer. The knowledge in mathematics or calculus about earth, about water or properties of fluid, about transportation and environment will lead to develop a common person into a civil engineer. So basically what I did, I distributed 25 to 30 subjects into these categories so it will be easy to share this thing with you. So the thing I want to share here with you is that in every category you will learn about the basics of that category in your initial semesters of engineering and about the complex things in your further semester. So first we will discuss about the structural engineering. As a civil engineering student, you will learn about structural engineering. Then what is structural engineering? Structural engineering is like designing bones and muscles of structure. Means in this subject you will have to determine the loads imposed on each beam or column in the building or every component in the building so that that structure will be stable, will be resistant to the earthquake and will have a long life. So to do that you will have to learn engineering mechanics in your first semester. In this subject you will learn things like statics, kinematics, dynamics of physics. You will learn different types of beams and loads on that beams. In your third sem you will learn about solid mechanics. In this you will learn in detail about the loads on beams and you will learn in detail about different types of beams, and also you will learn here different properties of solids. Next, in your fifth semester you will learn theory of structures. Of course it will based on engineering mechanics and solid mechanics. After that, also in fifth semester you will learn design of steel structures. So the trusses that you see in railway bridges are composed of some sections which are made up of steel. So in this subject you will learn about the construction related to these steel structures or trusses. After that, in sixth semester, so the figures in bracket are semesters. You will learn about the same structures but the structures which are made up of cement. So here I want to mention a thing that the semester in which you will learn these sub-subjects may get changed with according to your universities. Okay, so moving towards the next subject, as I called it, how to construct. So the sub-subjects here are building material and construction, in which you will have to learn about the basic building materials like bricks, sand, cement, etc. Also you will have to learn about the basic components of building like window, doors, lintel, arches, fixtures, etc. etc. In your fourth semester you will learn about the geomatics, means surveying, leveling. In fifth semester you will learn building planning and drawing. In sixth semester you will learn about the estimation and costing, in which you will have to determine quantity, quality of different materials by considering economical conditions of owner. Okay, so next subject is mathematics. So mathematics is important for civil engineers. So in civil engineering you learn engineering mathematics 1, 2 and 3 in your first, second and third semester of engineering. So basically in M1, that is mathematics 1, you will learn about the linear algebra and a little bit about differential equations. In mathematics 2 you will learn about the integration, maybe it's double or triple integration. In M3 you will learn about the differential equations, further differential equations and probability. Okay, next subject is related to earth or land. So basically you will construct footings or foundation of any structure into the earth. So to check out the stability of that structure, you will also have to check out the stability or the properties of soil, and for that you will have to learn about the engineering geology in your third sem. So basically in this subject you will learn about the basics of geology, that is different types of rocks and all these things. In fifth semester you will be learning soil mechanics, which comprises mechanics, also fluid mechanics in it. In sixth sem you learn about geotechnical engineering. In sixth sem you will learn about geotechnical engineering, which is advanced to soil mechanics. And in foundation engineering you use geotechnical engineering to design and to construct foundations of different structure. So the next category is of water or fluid. Civil engineers does a lot of construction like dams, bridges, and they design city water supplies, basically the structures which are in direct contact with water all the time. So to increase the sustainability of this structure, it is very important to study the properties of fluid. So in your third semester you study fluid mechanics, which deals with the mechanics of fluid. In your fourth semester you study about hydrology and water resource engineering, which basically deals with study of occurrence, distribution and movement of water. After that itself in fourth semester you learn about hydraulic engineering, which is mostly related to water. In irrigation engineering you study about how can we distribute water to agriculture purposes and the engineering involved in that. The next category is transportation. Transportation is a subject you study only in one semester in your fourth semester or fifth semester. So in transportation you study about highway planning, geometric design, maintenance of highway, and also you learn here the bridge engineering. Okay, so the next distribution is of environment. As a civil engineer it is very important to study about the environment. So here you will study about different sources of water and water demand and various topics related to this. Also this subject is limited to only one semester. So here we are done with the major subjects in civil engineering. Now we will discuss about some remaining subjects of first year. So in first year you will learn about chemistry, basic electrical engineering, basic electronics engineering, engineering graphics. So this subject is very important for the civil engineers. Then you will have to study about PPS, that is programming for problem solving. This is related to coding. Also you will have to study physics in your first year. और यहाँ पे हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स की जो कि मेन सिलेबस में इंक्लूड नहीं किए जाते, पर कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इन्हें भी इंक्लूड करती है अपने सिलेबस में, इनमें से कुछ टॉपिक्स को. सो these subjects are CAD, that is computer aided drawing, which is very important for civil engineers. Also cyber law and ethics, disaster preparation and planning, railway engineering, metro systems and engineering, bridge engineering, traffic engineering and management, and earthquake engineering. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video.